Dolphins, the charismatic marine mammals, captivate our imagination with their playful antics and intelligence. These sleek creatures are known for their social behavior and remarkable communication skills. Dolphins are often considered sentinels of the ocean, indicating the health of marine ecosystems. Unfortunately, they face threats from pollution, habitat loss, and fishing practices. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these enchanting beings and ensure their continued presence in our oceans, where they embody the beauty and vitality of marine life.